Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you an amazing deal on the Wireless Doorbell Kit. This is really unique because the receiver looks like a vase, and it's just a really stylish vase that is white and gray, so it will match any decor. Now you simply mount the doorbell button anywhere you want your visitor to notify you, and all the mounting hardware is included. And the nice thing is, this is completely portable, so you can take this room to room so you'll never miss a visitor. Now I mentioned this is completely wireless. That's because the vase runs on 6 AA batteries. Now they're not included, but we have a super price for you on our site. The doorbell button itself includes a battery. You simply need to remove the tab when you use it. Now, other wireless doorbells only will have up to 150-foot range. This one has 250 feet, so you can put this almost anywhere in your home. Now, what I really love about this is it's fully customizable. It has 10 different tunes you can play, and some are holiday themed, so you can change it whenever you want. And it's easy to set up. First, remove the bottom of the base by twisting it off. To change the chime, simply push the button to choose the one you want. And the volume is fully adjustable. Now, if you have a faulty doorbell, don't spend hundreds of dollars repairing it. Grab one of these. Or maybe you want to add a doorbell to your patio or back door. Grab this. This is also great for traveling nurses and caregivers. If your patient needs help, all they do is push the button. Now we have an amazing price on this. If you're wondering why, it's because we made a special deal direct with the manufacturer who is changing their packaging. So we bought their last remaining stock and we're passing on the savings to you. This same model sells for $40 at Home Depot, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So make sure you head on over to our site because stock is limited.